All right, this is going to be a quick video on show you how to slide the BITBOX onto the BITBOX mount already on your drill. This is the BITBOX. You can see on the back it has a release button, 2 guide rails, and a guide. Now this guide goes right here in the center rail right here. So you just push the BITBOX into the mounting plate and you just push it on. It locks on and does not come off. If you want to get off, you push the button, pinch the BITBOX and just pull it off.
That BITBOX on your drill, it's a strong container, partner, holds your fill. Durable and tough for any dusty job site. Keeps your bits together, shining ever so bright. Yeah, it's worth every last penny you're gonna spend. That BITBOX is your trusty, lifelong friend.